Still shooting in auto mode? You're missing out on some of your camera's most powerful features. Today, I'm sharing 5 reasons why you should start using priority modes and how they can instantly improve your photos, no matter what camera you use. Hi Photo Peeps, I'm Greg. Welcome back to the channel where we make photography simple and fun. If you're just getting started or looking to move beyond auto mode, priority modes are the best bridge to shooting like a pro. So grab your camera. Let's break down why these modes matter and how they'll instantly improve your photography. Let's get to it. Reason number 1, you stay in control of what matters most. Priority modes let you decide what's important, depth of field or motion, while your camera handles the rest. In Aperture Priority, you choose how blurry or sharp your background is. In Shutter Priority, you control whether motion is frozen or beautifully blurred. It's the perfect balance of control and convenience. Reason number 2, perfect exposure without guesswork. No more fumbling with 3 settings at once. When you pick your aperture or shutter speed, the camera automatically adjusts the other values to maintain proper exposure. This means you can focus on the creative side, not the math behind the exposure triangle. This is perfect for those instances where you only have one chance and you need to get it right. Reason number 3, faster shooting and changing light. Light changes constantly, clouds move, subjects shift. With priority modes, your camera automatically adapts exposure for you. You won't miss the shot while trying to manually tweak every setting. Reason number 4, ideal for learning manual mode. Priority modes are like training wheels for manual shooting. You'll quickly see how changing aperture or shutter speed affects exposure, depth, and motion. It's the fastest, most practical way to learn what manual mode really does. And finally, reason number 5, more creative freedom. Whether you're capturing dreamy bokeh, silky waterfalls, or crisp action shots, priority modes give you creative flexibility without slowing you down. Once you master these, you'll know exactly when to take full manual control and when to let the camera help. So in summary, let's recap. Number 1, you stay in control of settings. Number 2, you get perfect exposure faster. Number 3, you shoot confidently in changing light. Number 4, you learn manual mode the easy way. And number 5, you unlock more creativity in every shot. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more photography tutorials. And drop a comment below. Which priority mode do you use the most? Aperture or shutter? And which do you like the best? And remember, mastering your camera isn't about knowing everything. It's about mastering the right things. Start with priority modes, and your photos will thank you. Until next time.